Of course, there is still more to come on this adventure. I am now going to make my way over to Chocolate World, so stay tuned. Good day everyone, and welcome to Adventures with Parker. This is the third and final installment of my Hershey Adventure vlogs, and today I'll be grabbing lunch at the Chocolatier and exploring Hershey's Chocolate World before I have to drive all the way back to Canada. This is going to be one sweet ending to our Hershey Adventures, so without any further ado, let the adventures begin. Okay, something that might be good to know is that parking for ZooAmerica or Hershey's Chocolate World, if you're just visiting for the day, it's free, which is really nice because I really didn't want to pay $20 to park just to have lunch, you know? So to get into the Chocolatier, you actually need to enter through the gift shop here. Okay, let's see what we can do here. Okay, I'm going to voice over this part because the background noise was a little much when I was filming this, and you know, I didn't want to be that one obnoxious vlogger by trying to talk over it. But this is the over-the-top Hershey's chocolate milkshake. I had no words when I got this thing. I knew it was going to be crazy, but I was honestly so surprised by the sheer extravagance of it. It was definitely on the heavy side, but as the absolute chocoholic that I am, I did not care. Okay, so I had my first taste of the milkshake. It's a little on the expensive side. It basically cost the same amount as my meal, but so good. And I mean, it's my first trip to Hershey. I had to. For my main course, I got the barbecue bacon burger, which had applewood smoked bacon, cheddar cheese, crispy onions, and Hershey's chocolate barbecue sauce. Yes, you heard me right, chocolate barbecue sauce. It didn't actually make it taste chocolatey though, but it did add this nice, unique touch of sweetness to the burger. Okay, the Chocolatier was so good. It was a little expensive. I did know that going in. But you know, it's fine. I'm on vacation. Sometimes you gotta splurge a little bit. But yeah, both the burger and the milkshake were amazing. The milkshake, very filling. Might have been better if I had someone to share it with. Michael, I'm talking to you. You should have came with me. But yeah, it was really good. I did finish it. My burger, I didn't finish. I had that boxed up. So that might be dinner tonight. It's a great restaurant overall. I will say I highly recommend you make a reservation. I didn't. And I was lucky enough to grab a seat at the bar, which you're able to do if you walk in. But I know a lot of people were waiting around for seats to open up, so I think I got there just in time. Anyways, there's one last thing I want to do before I go, and that is make a quick visit to Hershey's Chocolate World. There is a dark ride in here that you can ride for free, so I might as well do that before I drive the 8 hours home, right? Okay, well this is Hershey's Chocolate World. There's quite a few attractions to check out here, including a 4D movie, just different little experiences. But like I said, the thing I really want to do is the dark ride here. This ride is essentially going to tell you the story of Hershey and how chocolate gets made. Very exciting stuff. Okay, we are starting our adventure here. Woo! Okay, thank you.
Hi folks, welcome to our dairy farm. The Hershey goodness starts right here with your fresh milk. Sing it, girls!
It's a musical.
Sweetest version from the very start. You can taste the love all over the world. Got that feel-good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. On at the factory, everybody!
Her name is
My name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor. We pour the blended cocoa beans into large revolving roasters, which get extremely hot. Toasty in here, isn't it?
Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction.
Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. We mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks.
The conching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing a rich flavor and color.
Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is finally ready to be packaged.
Like Hershey's milk chocolate in special dark bones.
Hey, don't forget about Reese's peanut butter cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Aw, thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go. And I better get going too. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Okay, wow, that was so cool. Like, it was a full-on, like, Epcot level dark ride. I was very surprised by that, pleasantly. That was so much fun. I highly recommend if you come to Hershey Park, take the time to do this ride. It is a must-do. So like I said, there is a lot to do here in Hershey's Chocolate World. Although there are a few attractions that you do need to pay for. You can get a wristband and like packages and stuff, but I'm like a white suburban dad. I only do the free stuff. Although I might quickly check out Hershey's largest candy store because I did promise my mom I would bring her back a chocolate bar. So I better deliver on that promise. Oh my goodness, the store really is huge. It takes up so much room. Oh boy. Okay, well that is a wrap on my trip to Hershey. That was the perfect way to end off the visit. I'm really glad I got to do all of those extra little things this morning. But now it's time for the 7-hour and 30-minute drive back home to Canada. Why do I do this to myself? Anyways, if you would like to see more theme park, travel, local, and outdoor adventures, be sure to subscribe. You can also find me on social media at ADBParker. With that, thank you so much for joining me for this very sweet, savory, and all-around tasty adventure. And as always, the adventures are calling. See ya!
That feel-good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love.
And as always,
Turn left.
the adventures are calling. See ya!